Hi, I'm Chuck Lofton. You know, after 4 days of seeing below average temperatures here, up we go. A streak of sunshine and a streak of 80s that really begin today with only brief rain chances in our 7-day forecast. We started out early in the morning with some of you in the 40s and 50s, but now this warmer air is going to stick with us probably until Friday. Then look what happens in the jet stream. High pressure will push down some air from Canada, so we begin a cool streak over the weekend that will take us into next week. Let's sum this all up for you by showing you what it's been like with some clouds to the north, but rain amounts are not going to be much, probably around 1/3 of an inch Friday and then into Saturday. So here's your forecast, and a lot of 80s there for the first time in a few days. 80 today, 55 tonight, 83 Wednesday, 86 Thursday and Friday with those late day Friday showers moving into Saturday.